Tēnā Winton School, I'm Guy. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Rapare, the 23rd of April.
Okay, we start the day with Te Puku o Te Wiki, Pata Tuku Nuku,
which is Te Rio for Earth.
Ka Pai. Okay, there's a big chess competition coming up. All masters of the game, please see Mr. Tucker in the library at 12:40. Thank you.
Basketball news. The Year 7-8 competition is starting later than planned due to a court upgrade. We'll let you know when tip-off is.
Mr. Tucker's problem-solving group, you have your first set of questions today in the group room at interval. That's right now. Be on time. Kia ora.
Remember to return your newsletter slips about the Winton ANZAC Day service on Saturday. Ki Kaha.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everybody wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, a notice about some of the grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime.
And make wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News team, ka kite e pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud, Winton School.